Hello everyone and welcome back to the Decentralized Bull channel. Today we have a nice recovery bounce from yesterday's crash when everybody was literally screaming left and right. The Bitcoin bull market is over. This was the top. And as we can see now, I was already telling that probably with the ETFs opening, the US market will probably start to flip this bearish momentum here. So we can see yesterday, let me quickly, actually this was not yesterday, let me quickly go over here to the 15-minute chart so we can see it much more clearly. Right here we can see yesterday we went from 102,000, actually not from here actually. Let's zoom out a little bit and we can see it here from $105,000. We went down below. From here we can see it from here down to 97,700, and we can see it was a 6% drop here. We can see I just use the info line here on TradingView on VX. I like to use the VX platform for my technical analysis. I also have right away the exchange here so I can do my technical analysis and trade at the same time. If you want to do the same, down below there is a link to VX in the description. You can open an account and grab a $20,000 welcome bonus, only exclusive with my link. Now we can see here we had a 6% dump yesterday because of this DeepSeek situation. Also there were some other FUD happening, XRP, they are against the Bitcoin reserve and so on. So many different factors played into the dump from yesterday. But as I mentioned, be happy for a discounted Bitcoin, guys. Like, this was probably the last chance to buy Bitcoin below $100,000. We can see here we had a nice bounce from yesterday. As we can see, let me quickly show you the difference. So from here we went basically from here up here. We are already up 5.4% here on spot, guys. With a 10x leverage, that would have been a 50% profit trade. And that, as you can see here, I also opened the trade yesterday on Bitcoin. It's already over $2,000 in the profits, which is nice, but not so nice if I compare it to my altcoin trades, which are still a little bit underwater. So we can see here HBAR, AVEX a little bit underwater. I already realized some gains on some of them, but nevertheless we can see Ethereum still down 3k, Doge down 7k. I already realized 2.5k, so not so bad, and I'm still very, very bullish on Doge. I'm just accumulating as much as I can because I think Doge will probably hit $1 this bull market, so I think it's quite likely. Then we have here my link trade, $800 unrealized gains, 3k around about realized already, so quite nice. Besides that, you can see here my realized PNL and my unrealized PNL. So basically I'm still over 1.5k in profits for the last 2 weeks, which I'm quite happy about. I had to add some margin yesterday because I didn't want to get my trades wrecked. So I added some margin and now I'm quite good. You can see some of the trades here never liquidate because I added enough margin. We can see here Tower trade already 1,500 realized and another 1,271 unrealized. Sol, same situation, 1.4k realized, 1.2k still unrealized. So I'm still quite happy with my trades. I'm just waiting for Doge and ETH to have a nice pump. These trades, they were already in the profits today morning, so I'm not worrying about those. I'm quite sure they will become profitable later this afternoon when the US market opens. And also I made some quick gains. So just from yesterday to today I made $2,000 on my Bitcoin trade, which is quite nice. Now let's take a look here. What are the next price targets for Bitcoin? Maybe we're gonna look at some altcoins and some opportunities that we might see in the market. Now let's zoom out. This is the most important thing. When in doubt, zoom out. And we can see here we have to go back into this channel, guys. This is very important. So we have to go above this channel. This support zone flipped probably into resistance now. So we can see already we had a little bit of a pullback from there. So we can see this resistance, it's real, it's happening, it's there, and we have to break it so we can move to higher price targets like 105, and after that go for new all-time highs above the $110,000 area. For now, we saw it yesterday, guys. We saw it very clearly. The RSI was oversold here, and we can see always when the RSI is oversold, we can make some nice gains. So that's what one of the reasons why I opened my trade yesterday, it was because I saw the RSI being oversold, and as I showed you already the previous times, actually on the 4-hourly, the one on the 4-hourly is more precisely, every time when the RSI on the 4-hourly gets oversold, we are having a big bounce to the side. So that's why I opened my trade, and with this strategy usually never fails. When the RSI will be oversold again, I will close this trade and we will probably make some nice gains from here to here, which will be quite nice. Now let's take a look here at Ethereum, the slow altcoin here, which is just moving sideways or down for over 1 year. So basically, if you have been in Ethereum over 1 year, then you're basically at the same price like 1 year ago. Let's actually double check this. Maybe so you can see you had some nice buying opportunities here. This was in 2022, but let's see from last year in January. Okay, if you bought in January, you are still up like 30%, so still nice. So yeah, this was exactly 1 year ago. So from 1 year ago to now, let's quickly see it. From here to here, you are up like 27%, which is not so bad. But if you take the same here with Bitcoin, let's take a look at Bitcoin here. Where can we see it? Where's January 2024? Right here. So from here, let's quickly take the info line. From here, this was January. Actually, it was on a dip at the time. So from here to here, you are already up 160%, guys, just on spot. So you basically outperformed Ethereum by 500%, which you have to make your own decisions. Is Ethereum still a good investment or not? Do you like to hold Ethereum? And I think, this was just the case because now we had the Bitcoin season, and the Bitcoin season will probably fade off. Like, I still think Bitcoin will go from now $100,000 to probably like $300,000 to $400,000 this bull market. So still a lot of room to grow, around 300% from here. I think Ethereum will probably have also its prime time coming. So and after Ethereum goes, the altcoins will follow. So once we see Ethereum break its previous all-time high here at $4,900, we will see a lot of altcoins going parabolic. That's why I'm still bullish on Ethereum. I think it's probably going to go to 10K this bull market. Let's see. They just have to start doing some marketing, improving the system, and lower gas fees. Now, which other tokens do I like? I definitely like Doge. Sol. I think Sol has also a big potential. I like Sol more than ETH now, I have to say, just because they are doing more stuff for the ecosystem. They're like developing, they are bringing new stuff to the system, lower gas fees, they're doing marketing, they are doing events all over the world. So I'm more bullish on that. And besides that, I'm very bullish on Tao here. And Tao, as we can see, made very nice gains. And we have here a new coin here on the block, PHP. I don't know it yet, on the AI sector. So let's see, it's $1.30 now. It was $2.60 and $3.18 just last year. So this one might have a nice bounce. Let's see, PHP. I don't know it yet, so maybe let's take a closer look at it. PHP. Phoenix. This is the name of the token. Let's see what's the market cap and what else can we find about it. They have 75 million market cap, still quite low for an AI token. So they are already listing on Binance, which is nice and not so nice at the same time because you don't have the Binance effect anymore. So usually when tokens go on Binance, they have a very nice pump. But for now, you can see it's performing quite well. It's already over in a higher high here. So looks nice. So probably would be good to open a trade on it. Let's just risk it. Let's risk it here. Not so much, maybe like $500. Okay, because I already have too many trades open. That's the only reason why I'm doing only so little. Let's go, $500 margin, and order successful. And if you want to trade like you see me do, down below in the description, a link to VX where you can grab up to $20,000 in bonuses. VX has over 700 tokens that you can trade, and I definitely like how easy it is. Open long, open short, very easy. Here you have the different markets, futures, spot, you have even copy trade, and many different other features. Now, thank you all for watching. sign up to VX, don't forget to take profits. See you next time. Bye bye.